In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project from the community. The community section of our platform is a fantastic resource, a vibrant hub where designers and creators share their work, templates, and plugins with the wider world. It's an incredible place to find inspiration, discover new techniques, or even kickstart your own projects with high-quality, pre-made designs. Learning how to effectively save projects from this community is a fundamental skill that will significantly enhance your workflow and creative process. You can use these saved projects as a base for your own work, study their structure, or simply keep them for future reference. We'll walk through the simple steps to add any interesting design you find directly into your own workspace, making it readily available for you to edit and customize. To begin, your very first step is to navigate to the community section. This is typically accessible from your main dashboard or through a dedicated tab within the application interface. Once you locate and click on the Community link, you'll be transported to a diverse gallery of projects. Take a moment to browse around. You'll find an extensive collection of designs ranging from simple UI elements to complex multi-page website layouts. This area is designed for exploration, so feel free to scroll through the various categories and trending creations that catch your eye. It's a treasure trove of creative assets, and getting comfortable with browsing it is key to finding valuable resources. Once you're in the community and have had a chance to look around, the next step is to choose any design that piques your interest. As you scroll, you'll see various project cards or thumbnails. Simply click on one of these designs to open its dedicated page. This action will take you to a detailed view of the project, where you can often see more images, read a description from the creator, and sometimes even interact with a live preview. This step is crucial because it allows you to get a closer look at the design, understand its purpose, and decide if it's truly something you want to add to your own collection. Don't worry about making a final decision just yet. You can always go back and pick another if this one isn't quite right. Now that you've opened a design and confirmed that it's something you'd like to keep, the final step is to save it. Look for the Save icon, which is usually represented by a ribbon symbol. You'll typically find this icon prominently displayed near the top of the project's detail page, often alongside other options like Duplicate or Share. Once you click this ribbon icon, the project will be successfully saved to your personal drafts or within your team's files, depending on your account settings. This action effectively creates a copy of the community project in your own workspace, allowing you to freely modify it without affecting the original community file. After saving, you can then open this newly added project, rename it, organize it into specific folders, and begin making your own edits or integrating it into your existing projects. This simple three-step process empowers you to leverage the vast creative resources shared by the community and incorporate them seamlessly into your own design journey.